One of the biggest barriers for customers when purchasing online is forcing them to register in a web store. That's why Sana provides guest checkout, which allows shoppers create orders without registration and logging into the web store. Guest checkout might be a better option if you're in a rush and you don't have time for registration, or this is the first time you're using this web store and you don't have plans to buy anything from it ever again. You can use guest checkout if your Sana web store is public and if customers are allowed to register in your web store online. You will also need to enable guest checkout for B2C customers. A shopper can browse the catalog in the Sana web store and add products to the shopping cart. While browsing the catalog and in the shopping cart, all prices are shown to a shopper in the currency of the customer template assigned to the web store in the ERP system. Once a guest clicks Proceed to Checkout, he or she will be redirected to the login page, where there is an option to place an order as a guest without registration. On the first checkout step, a guest needs to provide his or her billing information. An order can be delivered to the same address as the billing address, or a guest can also enter another shipping address. Billing information is required. In Sana Admin, you can set up which fields of the billing and shipping information should be shown to a guest in the web store. The fields of the billing information are managed in the guest profile. The fields of the custom shipping address are managed in the consumer shipping address fields. Let's go back to the web store. When billing and, if necessary, custom shipping information is entered, a guest can select a delivery method and a payment method. Check the order details one more time and pay the order. As you can see, shoppers who are placing orders without registration have almost the same shopping experience as registered customers. But of course, there are some limitations. For example, guests can create only sales orders but not quotes. Guests don't have shop accounts and thus cannot see their order history. Guests cannot use the features which require to be logged in to the web store, like wish list, reordering, or shopping cart suggestions. When the order is placed by the guest, it will be saved to the ERP system. The shopper will receive the order confirmation email based on the guest order confirmation email template in Sana Admin. The customer is created in the ERP system, storing the billing and shipping information the guest entered while creating the order, and based on the customer template in ERP, assigned to the country selected by the guest on the bill and shipping information checkout step. In the Web Shops table in the ERP system, you can set up the number sequence for the guest customer account. For example, here you can see the Web Shops table in Microsoft Dynamics AX. Check the same field of the Sana add-on in your ERP system. This is the customer ID format, which is used for the guest customer accounts in ERP. By setting up the ID format for the guest customer accounts, a user in ERP can easily differentiate real customer accounts and those which are created as guests. So be our guest and maybe you will come back later and spend more time with us.